right, guys, this is Vishal here, and as you can see behind me, I'm in my gold vault. I am bullish on the precious metals, and my preferred way to invest in the precious metal space is buying a royalty and streamer company. Recently, there was news about Sandstone Gold buying out Nomad Royalties, and I think this mergers and acquisitions is just going to increase as the prices of gold and silver move higher in the future. But this is the reason why I love royalty and streamers. So firstly, what is a royalty and streamer company? Well, it's a company, a mining company that's run by maybe a handful of employees, which gives cash to mining companies in exchange for a share of the mine's future metal sales. So a lot of risk, I would say, is diversified. There's no need to worry about the government taking over a mine or increasing the taxes. And there's certainly so many other positives for a royalty and streamer company as compared to, say, the GLD ETF and a typical mining operator. And the very first one is, of course, the costs, capital costs and operating costs. A royalty and streamer can be run by like a handful of employees, whereas you guys know with mining operators, there's all those energy costs and machinery costs, a lot of costs for mining gold and silver there. Royalty and streamers are, however, still leveraged to the gold price, right? So if the price of gold and silver moves up, the royalty and streamer will follow along, as do the mining operators and, of course, the GLD ETF. However, there's also this exploration and expansion upside with the royalty and streamer, because, of course, some of these royalties that they give out, the mines aren't going to be in production, right? So they're sort of giving a loan to these guys, getting them into production, and there's potential of an expansion of a project, which is always great news for shareholders. And then I think one of the best things about a royalty and streamer is that it provides safe dividend yield. And the hallmark of a good royalty and streamer is what happens in a downturn. So when gold and silver is moving down, a mining operator, they still have to mine that gold and silver, even though they're losing money and even though they're incurring a lot of debt. Whereas good management in a royalty and streamer will look at projects and pick up good deals, right? Basically preparing for the next upturn cycle in gold and silver. And that's where I look for good management, picking up deals, even in a downturn, but you get news in an upturn in gold and silver and also in a downturn in gold and silver, which is why I prefer royalty and streamers as my way to invest in gold and silver. There you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed that short video.